Welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we shared 5 essential tips for raising a thriving family. Today, we're going even deeper. If you're eager to strengthen your family's bonds and foster resilience, you're in the right place. We're about to explore advanced strategies that can truly transform your family dynamics. Our mission is to empower you with insights that enrich your family's wellness, emotionally, mentally, and socially. So, are you ready to dive into these transformative strategies? Let's get started. First up is cultivating emotional intelligence within your family. This is about recognizing and understanding not just our own feelings, but also those of others. Encourage open dialogue about emotions. Create a safe space where everyone feels comfortable expressing how they feel without fear of judgment. Let your children know that it's okay to feel sad, angry, frustrated, whatever it is they're feeling. Use tools like emotion wheels or feelings charts to help articulate complex emotions, especially for younger children. Practice active listening. When your child speaks, give them your full attention. Look them in the eye, nod your head, and show them that you're truly present with them. Acknowledge their feelings and validate their experiences. Let them know that what they're feeling is real and valid. Say things like, "I see that you're really upset about this," or "It sounds like this is really hard for you." This builds trust and strengthens your connection. When children feel heard and understood, it deepens their bond with you. Model empathy in your daily interactions. Show understanding and compassion not just within the family, but towards others as well. Your actions set a powerful example. Talk about your own feelings. Let your children see that you experience a range of emotions too. Share how you're feeling and how you're coping with those emotions. Remember, emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. By fostering emotional intelligence, you're equipping your family with the skills to navigate life's challenges with empathy and understanding. This journey will bring your family closer together and create a more harmonious home environment. Next, let's talk about the power of regular family meetings. These gatherings can significantly enhance communication and cooperation. Think of family meetings as a time to connect, collaborate, and celebrate what makes your family unique. Set aside a dedicated time each week for everyone to come together. This doesn't have to be a long, drawn-out affair. Even 30 minutes can make a world of difference. Choose a time when everyone is relaxed and available, like after dinner or on a weekend afternoon. Use this time to discuss upcoming events, share successes, and address any concerns or suggestions. Talk about things like upcoming birthdays, school events, or family outings. Celebrate everyone's accomplishments, no matter how big or small. Encourage each family member to contribute to the agenda. This inclusivity fosters a sense of belonging and respect. Let each person have a turn sharing what's on their mind. Keep the meetings positive and solution-focused. The goal is to create a sense of unity and collaboration, not to dwell on negativity or place blame. Celebrate achievements, big or small, and work together to overcome any obstacles. When you celebrate successes together, it reinforces positive behavior and strengthens family bonds. Make it fun. Family meetings should be something everyone looks forward to, not dreads. Incorporate games, activities, or special treats to make the experience more enjoyable. You can even have a rotating family fun officer who gets to plan a special activity for each meeting. Remember, consistency is key. The more you have these meetings, the more ingrained they become in your family culture. If you've never had family meetings before, start small. Begin with once a month and see how it goes. Family meetings promote teamwork and ensure everyone's voice is heard, strengthening your family's unity. Over time, these meetings will become a cherished family tradition, bringing everyone closer together. Encourage a growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset can transform how your family approaches learning and challenges. A growth mindset is about believing that you can always learn and grow. Teach your children that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Help them understand that their brains are like muscles. The more they use them, the stronger they get. Encourage them to embrace challenges, not shy away from them. Praise effort, perseverance, and improvement rather than just results. Instead of just saying, "You're so smart," try saying, "I'm so proud of you for working so hard on that." Share stories of personal challenges you've overcome. This shows that failure is not a setback, but a stepping stone to growth. Let your children see that you've faced challenges and setbacks in your own life. Set collective goals as a family and support each other in the journey. Working towards a common goal as a family can be a powerful bonding experience. Create a mistake-friendly environment where it's okay to make mistakes. Let your children know that mistakes are simply opportunities to learn and grow. Focus on the process, not just the outcome. Encourage a love of learning. Foster their curiosity. Encourage them to ask questions, and provide them with opportunities to explore their interests. Model a growth mindset yourself. Your children are always watching and learning from you. When they see you embracing challenges, learning from your mistakes, and never giving up on your dreams, they're more likely to adopt a growth mindset themselves. By fostering a growth mindset, you're empowering your family to face obstacles with confidence and resilience. Remember, the journey of growth is ongoing and ever-evolving. Keep encouraging each other every step of the way. Strengthen community connections. Building strong connections outside the home enriches your family's social well-being. It takes a village to raise a child. When families are connected to their community, it creates a sense of belonging, support, and shared purpose. Get involved in community activities or volunteer work as a family. This not only contributes positively to society, but also teaches valuable lessons in empathy and responsibility. Find a cause that your family cares about and get involved. Encourage your children to join clubs, sports teams, or groups that align with their interests. This expands their social circle and promotes personal growth. Extracurricular activities provide opportunities for children to develop new skills, build confidence, and make new friends. Organize neighborhood gatherings or participate in local initiatives. Building relationships with those around you creates a supportive network. Host a potluck, a game night, or a block party. Get to know your neighbors and build a sense of community. Attend cultural events together as a family. Go to museums, concerts, plays, or festivals. Experiencing different cultures and perspectives broadens your family's horizons and creates lasting memories. Support local businesses and organizations. Shop at farmers markets, dine at local restaurants, and support businesses that give back to the community. This strengthens the local economy and fosters a sense of community pride. Spend time with grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. These relationships provide children with a sense of history, belonging, and different perspectives. Create opportunities for your children to interact with people from diverse backgrounds. Community connections provide your family with a broader sense of belonging and support. Participate in local fairs and festivals to immerse your family in the community spirit. Attend parades and local celebrations to create joyful memories together. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques together. Incorporating mindfulness and relaxation into your family routine can significantly reduce stress and enhance well-being. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to create moments of calm and connection within our families. Introduce simple mindfulness exercises like deep breathing sessions, guided meditations, or yoga stretches suitable for all ages. Start with just a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the duration as you get more comfortable. Create a calming environment at home. Dedicate a space for relaxation, where family members can unwind, read, or engage in quiet hobbies. At the dinner table, take turns sharing things you're grateful for. Slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Spend time in nature as a family. Limit screen time and create tech-free zones in your home. Encourage creative expression through art, music, or dance. Mindfulness practices help your family stay grounded and connected, promoting a peaceful home atmosphere. Remember, the goal is to foster a sense of peace and togetherness, making your home a sanctuary for all. Thank you for joining us as we explored these advanced strategies for family wellness. Cultivating emotional intelligence, holding regular family meetings, encouraging a growth mindset, strengthening community connections, and practicing mindfulness together. Remember, it's about making continuous, mindful efforts to enhance your family's harmony and happiness. Small changes can lead to significant transformations over time. Be patient with yourself and your family, and celebrate your progress along the way. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to tap that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore creative ways to nurture your family's passions and talents. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.